Welcome to the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. This is our meteorology segment. Let's do it. First thing we're looking at are the jet streams of the eastern world. Chaotic jet streams here over the southern hemisphere. Some backward flowing jet stream over the southwestern Pacific. Not a super strong signal, very strong signal here over the northern Pacific. And a huge divergence here over Central Asia. Here are the surface winds of this side of the planet. Strong winds in the North Pacific and over southern Australia. Let's rotate to the west side. There's the west side, a strong onshore wind here happening around Cape Cod. Shout out to our viewers from New England. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. Here are the jet streams of the western world. We've got some cold air being injected into the eastern portion of the U.S. there, coming down from Lake Michigan all the way down to places like Tennessee. And some crazy weather tying up things like flights and other stuff on the East Coast. Here's your 72-hour GFS precipitation and pressure forecast. You can see some additional precipitation here. The heavy snows have made their way into Canada, or they're making their way into Canada. Again, that's your 72-hour GFS precipitation and pressure forecast. Next, your snow depth. And we're going to show a European model snow depth forecast. That's where snow depth is now. Looks like we've got about 50% of the country covered in snow. And here in Lehigh Valley, we're covered in slush. Let's advance this about 72 hours. There's where we expect things to be on Thursday. The heck? There's midday Thursday. Looks like some additional snow expected to fall in the southeast there. In the interim, that's windy.com's data. That was the European snow depth model. Here's your weather.gov map. If your county is lit, please click it. Some flooding coming to southern Jersey. That green there, coastal flood advisories. Again, if your county is lit, just head to weather.gov and click on your county. Next, your NASA GOES lightning mapper. Some lightning moving across Cuba and the rest of the northern Caribbean. Here's a real-time lightning map to show the teeth of the current storms. Not super active, but there's a pretty big cell there in the central Pacific. Lightningmaps.org for your real-time lightning maps. Next time you hear thunder, check it out. This video was originally streamed live at Twitch, twitch.tv/smashamash. Thanks to our followers over there. If you're viewing the videos on BitChute, make sure you check it out on YouTube as well. You're missing like 90% of the content if you don't view the videos on YouTube. Thanks to everybody who does. Thanks to our YouTube viewers for putting up with the pathetic censorship on the platform. Please press share. Tell your friends and foes about us. We need your help to get the videos onto screens. Consider becoming a member of the Smash team if you'd like to support the channel. We replaced Patreon with something superior, and we're providing 2 paid levels. There's a gold paid up annual, and there's a silver level, as well as bronze, which is free. You'll get very limited posts at the bronze level. Check it out, smashamash.com/smash team. You can find links at the homepage. Welcome to the Neo Renaissance. Let's take a look at the water vapor scenario over the Pacific Ocean. So we don't see any more pulses coming out of that volcano. Thank goodness. As tsunamis continue to roll in, make sure you watch our space weather videos if you're only watching the meteorology segments. Again, if you're viewing on BitChute, youtube.com/smashamash contains most of our content. There's the water vapor scenario over the world's largest body of water and largest surface heat sink, the Pacific Ocean. Next to your U.S. Doppler radar, there is the full 50 states view. Massive system there making its way to the north. We'll focus on the lower 48 as it continues to slushify the area here in the Lehigh Valley. It's not the most beautiful day out there, let's just say that, folks, unless you like slush. If you like slush, it's perfect. Shortwave radiation map showing you clouds and fog when it's too dark to see them over the whole country. And there's the water vapor. That should help you to understand the way things are going to be moving. And there's going to be continued activity in this area here until some colder air wins the tug of war. Actually, it's giving a push to that system. How about a recap? U.S. Doppler radar. That's radar.weather.gov if you're wondering. Radar.weather.gov. And let's do a rare close-up, since we've got a huge nor'easter here. And it's got some mixed precipitation as colder air is sort of pushing its way in. Once again, there's clouds and fog, and there is the water vapor map. Thanks for tuning in. Congratulations on realizing that the channel exists. Press like, press subscribe, tell your friends and foes. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted name in news.